Balalo eviction is not bad. It's a very interesting move for Acholi as a tribe. Riemo balalo beraj gin maber pe kaka Acholi. La penya dong tieni balalo eviction, why shouldn't it come with a benefit to Acholi? Because gino moe ken ma watimi loboni at least miero bin ki bene money. Ikom dano mi dog gang money, nyo dano mi chere money. Riemo balalo bene duong. Riemo balalo uno miero bin ki jimmi mogu makonyo Acholi machalo kaka. Mi achiel kono no joman en mawor furu yen, joman en mawor toro bab wire pa balalo ni. Gitamu bene wigi ni kadong wa furu gini, what next? Kadong wa riemo balalo, what next? Gin mamero beri wiwa eno. Ki riem balalo, then what next for the people living in that area? What next to the people mago charongom bot balalo ni? Itama mone wacha ni kono no gilbaro lanya kachel ke udonga to gino lobbying mage woro ke twela ma dit mu pong ki kodi ki ken kodi ful kodi nyim kodi la nywagi kodi gino moe ken mage romo lobbying ma ini furu gino mone imiu kodi kany riemo balalo ke kamone ipoko kodi to the inhabitant uno olu konyo. Riemo balalo ipoko kwere, riemo balalo ipoko slasa, riemo balalo you sensitize the community about the use of the land. Ngom dua ta lo Acholi kai ki Gulu City ti chero ketgum ngom duong. Ngom dua ta ya gago, ngom dua ta ya moro. Kamoy ken ilo Acholi ngom tie. Why don't you people machalo lutela mawayero you yera sensitize the community on how best we can use our land? Luloki invaded our land because it wasn't in use. Now lutela unuti kwene, why can't you people lobby for the community? In Uganda we are the poorest. Kono no lutela ribu ching kachiel ki lutedero. Boli chuk gi money manok gi timo gino money kenyu. Gi lobbying kodi gi miu kodi guana kodi ngo. Initi ariemo jo money mato makade. Kai riemo ge, why can't you come with seedling? Pero mo binu ki yen mengo. Me poko ki lutedero. And why now? Yen wadong kito. Wan machalo lutela wabi riemo jone. Yen ni munu peto kama ge utoni. Eno ni would make sense. Ero yin pero one day balalo mir ke riem ka dong ke riem ge, what next? I'm not saying take riem ge miera ke riem ge, but ka riem ge udonga to, what are you going to do to those people? You are leaving them behind. Lutedero enoni machalo donga to itiki capacity. Why can't you lobby for those people? Mera ni rachiel chiwa riemo jo. Very easy. But ka de riemo ge, what next for the entire community enoni? Kono no worke kodi anywagi, kodi muranga, kodi ful, kodi nyim. Chiwa ni wan machala Acholi. Ngom tie, you sensitize the community how best we can use the land. You sensitize the community. Ilobi inkediva factory mo ma ke romo kerone. Iloba Acholi factory per raj jowa. Factory per raj we will never develop. So ke chak timo gino moro mano konyo lutedero ma ena ya acholi peke nyu rach wich ma kuno gin ma in bitimo king'e peke utem gen marwata pi acholi balala ko wun machalo lutela madong lobby for us kodi weko nen mono ka acholi ni peko bi furu period afoyo